Okay, so this is a two-part problem where we have to use our rainbows to help us solve it. So the first thing we're going to do is we have to do 4 rainbows here, so quite a bit. So I'm going to put a 1 here and I'm going to put a 1 here just so I don't get confused. And let's start to rainbow. So we're going to do 8 times 1x. So 8 times 1 is 8, and then make sure you keep your x. That's one mistake I always see. You don't want to forget that x. And then we're going to do 8 times negative 2. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. Now we're going to do the same thing over here, more rainbows. 2 times 1x is positive, so keep that sign, 2x. And then positive 2 times positive 2 is positive 4. Now the second part of this is what we learned on day 1. We have to combine like terms. So I'm going to circle my values of x, make sure you take the sign in front of it, and I get 8x plus 2x here. And then I'm going to do a box around my constant, so I have negative 16 and a positive 4. And we are going to add this for our final answer. So 8x plus 2x is 10x. And then if I put in this calculator, you want to put in the calculator so we don't get it wrong, negative 16 plus 4 is negative 12. Now when you enter your answer and you have boxes here, one has an x and then there's just another box. So the way we would do this so we don't mess up is we have a 10x in that first box. We don't put the x in the box because it's already there, and then a negative 12 in the second box.